Okay, walked out the port. We'll do a video of the port here when we come back. Celebrity Apex. There's the main drag, and now walking into the city. Looks like somebody's apartments or complex. You got the marina right here that we were just in. Yeah, 5-minute walk, maybe 3-minute walk till we get to the corner there. So, I'll show you how it is. You want some local food? Come here. Right outside the gate. Let's go see what they got. All right, here. Oh, they got breakfast. You got patties. Island breakfast, $24. Okay. Any size eggs. Not bad. Lunch menu and dinner menu. Chef salad, Caesar salad. Shrimp, island wings. Pasta. If you didn't have mushrooms, I'd probably try that. Alright, there you go. Right outside the port. Come over here. Right there's the ships. Come here and have an eat. Have a bite. Alright, we'll continue on our way. Alright, right here in the main drag, you got Texas Pit Barbecue. Look at that. And Delta taking off. Probably heading back to Miami. The office of Lieutenant Governor. Well, as far as for accessibility on the sidewalks, yep, your scooter will be fine out here. These sidewalks are wide enough. They all have ramp. Well maintained, I guess you could say, for scooters and walkers and wheelchairs. So accessibility, U.S. Virgin Islands, St. Thomas, A+. Got a pharmacy right here, doctor's office right in front of the cruise port. Well, as far as for the main city, I don't know if this is it or how much more. Is a Kia dealership. Come get your Kia car. Supermarket. Well, this is the service department. You get your 4-wheelers, 3-wheelers. Alright, so you got Pueblo Supermarket. I guess we could walk a little bit more around the corner here and see what's over there. We'll cut back. Mutiny Vodka, Island Vodka. I guess that's the distributors. Locally handcrafted from Bradford. Make their own vodka. Too bad I don't like vodka. Alright, well apparently we're far away from downtown. Shalat Amal. We're nowhere near downtown, so We'll cut back, go on the other side of the other street. I think KFC was on the other street. Let's see here. I don't know where we can cross the street. We'll head back that way. Go up a little bit more. Okay, made it safely across the street without getting killed. Now we head back. Again, there's Cruzport, like right there. Easy 5-minute walk out. If you want to just get out and stretch your legs or something, you can come over here. I don't know how this is going to work. I don't think it's going to work. I don't think this sidewalk continues. We're going to have a problem. Yeah, the sidewalk doesn't continue. Well, that's a bummer. Well, we'll make it work. Island vodka from Breadfruit. That's what that is? Huh. Vodka from Breadfruit. Interesting. Alright, let's make it on this little path here. Alright, almost at the corner. Kettle One. Oops. Alright, let's cross. $1,000 fine for littering. Cheese chicken fry. T's Restaurant chicken fry. Little bar, big difference. Okay. Let's go up here. Sorry, I'm not going inside these restaurants. I already ate. Got Roosters. That's what you call range free right there. That's right. Tell them. All right, I finally made it to probably the safest intersection that I am going to use across the street versus over there, probably across the street illegally. Right here you have Pick and Save, and next door to that you have KFC. Let's see here. We're ready to cross. All right, the Niski Center is probably like a swap shop or outdoor outlet mall, or whatever you call it. Variety of shops and stores. There's your KFC. I bet you their hot wings here ain't the same as in the United States. Mainland. Oh, I had a conch patty at the beach earlier today. Man, that thing was good. I got the Jamaican jerk sauce, hot sauce on it. Ooh, it was kicking. I should have filmed it, should have videoed it, but I didn't. But the lady that was gave me the Jamaican patty, the conch patty, when I asked for the Jamaican jerk hot sauce and I poured it on there, she was like, oh, 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 like in shock. Oh, oh, oh. I poured a whole bunch of that stuff on my food. Ate it up. Next time I'll ask for a whole bottle to bring home. Alright, so as you see, heading back to the ships, back to the port. So the next part of the video will be inside the port. And we'll go from there.